In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Roman numerals and page numbers in Microsoft Word, such as I, and then switch to regular numbers like 1, 2, and 3. This is especially useful when creating reports, research papers, theses, books, or other long documents where the beginning pages use Roman numerals and the main content uses regular numbers. First, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor at the end of the page where you want the Roman numeral numbering to stop. Now, go to the Layout tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Click on Breaks, then look under Section Breaks and select Next Page. This creates a new section for the main part of your document. Next, go to the first page where you want the regular page numbers to begin. Double-click in the header or footer area to open it. You will see the header and footer options appear. Look for Link to Previous and click it to turn it off. This is important because it separates the page numbering in the new section from the previous section. Now, go back to the first section of your document. Double-click inside the header or footer area, depending on where you want the page numbers to appear. Go to the Insert tab, select Page Number, and choose the location and style you want. The page number will now appear in the document. To change the numbering to Roman numerals, go to Page Number again and select Format Page Numbers. In the Number Format drop-down menu, choose the lowercase Roman numeral format, such as I, E, I. Make sure the numbering starts with the appropriate value, then click OK. Your first section will now use Roman numerals. Next, go to the second section, where you want the regular page numbers to begin. Open the header or footer again and select Page Number. Choose Format Page Numbers. In the Number Format drop-down menu, select the regular number format, such as 1, 2, 3. Then choose Start At and enter 1. Click OK to apply the changes. Now your document can use Roman numerals in the beginning section and regular numbers in the main section. For example, the preliminary pages can display I, 2, and 3, while the main content starts with 1, 2, and 3. Before finishing, review the document and make sure the section break is in the correct location and that the numbering changes where you want it to. This method gives you more control over page numbering and is commonly used for professional documents with separate front matter and main content. And that's how you can insert Roman numerals and regular page numbers in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,